Organizing committee, we are inviting you. Hope you are here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Rajkumar, and thank you, my dear brother Surya sir, Thavu Surya sir, who giving me a great opportunity to explore and expand my content to the audience, those who are aspiring UGC NET examination as well. This is my proud moment to remember. Last time we would have conducted such a type of training UGC NET paper one. Last time, many of the student teachers, they would have cleared the UGC NET, and they would have placed in different universities as a PhD scholar, and different universities and colleges as a assistant professor. I must solicit my sincere thanks to Thiagu sir and Dr. Rajkumar, who conducting this UGC NET training as in the free of cost. Many of the even I'm also holding a paid course, but I'm very much interested to take in this course, free training class, because of many of the student they can benefit from us. So I don't want to uh, much more waste our time. Now I'm going to present to yeah. So before going to buckle up each and everything, I just wanted to remember you these points. Sir, how many of you may know? How many of you already wrote this UGC NET examination? Can you tell me how many of you? How many of you already you wrote this UGC NET examination? May I? Yeah, yeah. Good, good, good. Thank you, thank you. In there, sir, in their UGC NET examination, I used to see they are asking very big questions, sir. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Sir, they are asking very big questions. Yes. And this is a funniest answer. Sir, I always answering with scrolling the dice. Like this only, I would have choose the answers for even mathematics questions. The math questions are too difficult to me, sir. Of course, sir. If I heard about the mathematics, which is a mathematics phobia to me, yeah, sir, I don't have a time to solve it. I don't have a time to solve it. Those who are answering these questions, these questions, today onwards, I am going to give you beautiful tips and tricks to crack this type of questions with the shortcut and tricks. Those who want, kindly raise your hands. Those who want the tips and tricks, raise your hands. Those who want, raise your hand. Yeah, me. Yeah, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today onwards, after completing my session, you never and ever told about, sir, the math is too difficult to me, sir. This is my motto. So this is a scoring topic, and and this area only they are asking a question in the mathematics. First, I'm going to start with a simple to complex. Simple to complex. Uh, First, I'm going to start coding, decoding. Sir, my voice is very low. Am I right?
No, your voice is clear, sir. You can go with this. Your voice is clear.
Yeah, thank you. Somebody's telling. Thank you, thank you. Sir, kindly check your bandwidth. Yeah. Coding and decoding. And the second one is a calendar reasoning, time, angle determination, number series, time and work, direction test, profit loss, ratio, simple compound ratios. Today I'm going to buckle up with you. Yeah. Coding and decoding. Coding is an important part of a logical reasoning section in all aptitude related examination. Coding is a process used to encrypt a word or a number in a particular code or a pattern based on some rules. While decoding is a process to decrypt a pattern into its original form from the given codes. Usually, this coding and decoding they would have used in a military offices. They would have communicating with this coding and decoding to share their ideas. So this is the trick. Everyone, you should write before going to explain this. I wanted to ask you one question. Yeah, this is the funniest question. How many of you know very well about to A to Z? How many of you? This is the funniest question, but it is very most important. This is very most important. Yes, that's good. Everyone, you know very well from A to Z. This is the tips and this is the trick to solve this question. Yeah, you just write the ABCD like this up to M. Up to M. Give the position like A for 1, B for 2, C for 3, D for 4. Like this up to 26. It is a forward position and backward position from Z to A is a 1 to 26. 1 to 26. Yeah, like this you can write. Like this you can write. Just write it. Just write it. Sir, I know very well, sir, why I should write, sir. Don't stay like this. You should write on your notebook. You should write on your notebook. Yeah, I thought everyone has been completed. Everyone has been completed. Yeah. Can I ask the question? Yeah, can I ask the question to you? Yeah, what is the positional? What is the positional value of what is the positional value of S? What is the positional value of S? What is the positional value of S? Yes, somebody is 19. Yes, good. What is the positional value of Y?
20.
25. That's good. That's good. What is the positional value of I? I
9.
18.
9. That's good.
9.
18.
9.
I'm just asking I, man. I not
9.
that.
9. 9, sir.
Yes. Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Now, how do you
This
answer
is
this?
the
You answer this
question.
from a forward position or from a backward position? When you say
Whatever
I,
may be, sir. Whatever. Yeah, whatever may be. Whatever
because
may
both
be.
9 and 18 are correct,
Usually,
right, in this case?
no, usually, you should say in a forward position only.
Okay.
In the examination, if they are asking a backward position, means
Okay.
you
Then
can
we have
write
to
it.
answer backward. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise, we always assume it is as forward.
Yes. This is the first question. This is the first question. I can explain it. If the question is, if Delhi is written as Delhi is written as E D M G J. If right like this means they are asking a question how we are going to write a Nepal. Yeah, for this within a fraction of second we are going to answer the correct answer. Yeah, what is the position value of D4 for E I for L
12.
11. Eleven.
L is 12.
L is 12. Yeah, good. What is the H?
8, sir. 8.
8. Yeah,
8.
just wait.
8.
And I is 9.
I is 9.
Yeah, I is 9. Yeah, good. 4, 5, 12. H is
8.
yeah, good. 8. I is
9.
9. Yeah. What is the pattern they are following? D for E, E for D, L for M, H for G, I for J. Which is the increasing pattern they would have followed. Increasing pattern. We are just wait a minute. Yeah. 12. Yeah. This is a 5, which is a plus 1. 5, which is minus 1. L, which is plus 1. H, which is minus 1. I, J, which is plus 1. Could you understand what is the pattern they would have followed? If what is the position? Yeah, what is the position value of Nepal? N for 14. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
E
14.
for
5.
5. Yes.
P for 16.
Yeah,
1.
that's good.
A for
1.
1. L for
A.
12. 12.
Yes, that's good. So 14 minus 1, which is a 13. 5, 14 plus 1, which is a 15. Yeah. 5.
15, 4, 15. Sorry, 15, 4, 17.
15,
0.
4, 17, 26. Yeah. Here I should tell you now the backward position. 12, which is 13.
11.
Yeah.
Plus 1, 30.
Yeah. What is the position value of a 15?
M.
15.
Oh. Are you asking the
Yes.
reverse?
M.
15.
12.
M.
M is 13, sir.
M is 13. I asking you 15. Because 14 plus 1.
15.
Yeah. OD. What is the positional value of 7?
Q.
17.
Q.
is Q. ODQ is at 16.
Okay. The answer is O, D, Q, Z. Yeah. Yes. Now tell me, how many of you would you agree? This is very simple, sir. How many of you?
Sir, I don't
want to know that.
find it simple by going through positional method.
Yeah.
I think if
Can
at the first instance we see that DELHI, it is coded like EDMGJ, then we find the sequence, how it is done. Like for D, it's +1, we get E. For E, it's -1, as you already told that it's +1, -1, +1, -1, +1. Then if same we will apply to Nepal, so N +1 is O, E -1 is D, P +1 is Q, A -1, it goes to Z. L +1 is M. I think that way it's, I find that quite easy as compared to going for positional method.
Okay.
Maybe I may be wrong.
Okay. Yeah. No problem. No problem. If you are being any problematic situation, just apply this question. Just apply a same matter in this question. You can select the correct answer very easily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
sir.
first
Yes, sir.
question. The first question goes to, if in a certain language, Madras is coded as NBESBT, and how is Bombay coded in that code? So the positional value is much more important. I thought that somebody's are disturbing to me. Kindly mute your audio, and whenever you are having a clarification, you can ask me. I can clear your doubt. No problem. No problem. Okay. When the Madras is coded as a NBESBT, and how Bombay is coded that?
Option B.
The positional value is, yeah, no problem. No problem. You just select all those three questions, and 2 questions are remaining in there, and I will show you. As fast as you have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Because all R goes to the pattern. Yeah. I just wanted to tell you a simple matter, which is they are always using in this examination, they are always using like this pattern: +1, -1, +1, -1, or else +1, +1, +1, +1, or else -1, -2, -3, -4, or else +1, -2, +3, -4. Like this pattern only, in this coding and decoding, they would have used. So the positional value of A to Z, which is the most important to answer this question. When you coded like this, the M is 13, A is 1, D is 4, R is, what is the R? Hello, are you there? What is the positional value of R?
18.
What is 18? 1, A is 1, S is
19, sir.
19. That's it. That's it.
First
So
one,
you
sir.
just check. You just check it. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, somebody's are asking some doubt. Yeah, what do you want? Hello, are you there? So you just check it like this answer. I'm moving next question. The fourth question. In a certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How is tiger written in that code? And the fifth question, the fragrance is written as like this. What and how you are going to write imposing with that coded pattern? Have you completed all those 5 questions? Have you completed all those 5 questions? How many of you? How many of you? Don't take too much of a time to answer this type of questions. Don't take to answer this type of questions. Yeah, I'm going to show you the answer. I'm going to show you the answer. The first answer is B. The first answer is B, A, C, A, and D. The first answer is C. CPOCBZ. Yeah, because hello. Yeah, ma'am. What do you want? Bala. Who is that? Who wrote a Bala?
I
Yeah.
think someone is trying to ask a question, but the connectivity is very poor. I think you could proceed.
Yeah, I thought if they are chatting with me now, I will answer. Yeah. The coded pattern. What is the coded pattern here? +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. Am I right? The first question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me, how many of you, sir, which is so much of a simple to answer all those questions, sir. How many of you? Because I'm going to head over the second thing, which is coding, which is a calendar reason. Yeah, simple, sir. That's good. That's good. Yeah, calendar reasoning. How many of you know about your birthday, your friend's birthday? You know very well. Your marriage date, your mummy, papa birthday, anniversary day, something else. So this is the basic concept about calendar reason. First thing, in a normal year, there will be a 365 days. In a leap year, there will be a 366 day. Am I right or wrong? Jyoti ma'am, thank you.
Right, sir.
Yeah, yes, that's good. In a leap year, how we are usually we can identify it in our college, in our school days, they would have told like this. If they are giving total year means you have to divide with the number 4 and you will get the remainder 0. If you are getting a remainder 0, that will be a leap year. But I will tell you a simple thing is just divide the last 2 digit of the year by 4 if you get the remainder 0, which means the leap year. And the second concept, century year. Century year. Which is a century year? 18,000, 2,000, 2,200, 1,900, 2,100, 2,300. If they are giving like this means you can identify the leap year. You can identify the leap year by dividing 400. Dividing 400. There will be, their remainder should be 0. The third concept. In a normal year, you just check it. You just check it with your mobile phone or your calendar. In a normal year, the 1st January starts from Sunday means 31st December should be a Sunday. You just check it. If it is right, give yes. In a normal year, the 1st January 2023 or 2025. You just say take it to 2025, which is a normal year. The 1st January starts from what it may be the day. What may be the day? It may be a Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, whatever may be. The 31st December should be the same of the 1st January date. Kindly check it and tell me yes. Give your answer. If it is right, kindly tell me. Yes, sir. Good. In a leap year, next concept. In a leap year, the 1st January starts from a Sunday means the 31st December should be the next day, which is a consecutive day of a Sunday, which is a Monday, because there will be a 366 days. Concept is clear? Concept is clear? Actually, yes. Actually, if they are asking that like these questions, 15th February 2018 is what day? If they are asking like this question, usually they are asking like this question only in this UGC net examination. First, a simple concept. I'm going to with a simple to complex. Yeah. If they are asking means, I would have find to answer such a question. I would have chosen in a normal year. In a normal year, 733-614-625-735, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, which is for normal year. The month code for this, you just memorize or understand this month code. Sir, why I should use this month code, sir? To identify a day. To identify a day. So I would have used some mathematical tricks. So I would have find this month code. I would have found a month code for like this 733 614 625 735 in a normal year. For instance, in a leap year, the month code has changed for first two, which is 623. 733 means 623. 623 614 625 735. That's all. That's all. The first next the day which always starts with the Sunday. Sunday means 1, Monday 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Saturday, which is a 7 or 0. 7 or 0. Yes. Yeah. This is the trick to solve. For example, if they are asking like this means what is the day of 12th November 2021? Because we don't know about that 2021. Okay, just write the first step. Take the date. Take the date what they would have used. So they would have used 12th. So I check. I take it as a 12. Then month code for November. What is the month code for November? What is the month code for November? Which is a
11.
month code for
3.
03. Okay. Then third, last two digit of the year. Take the last two digit of the year. 21. Then fourth step. 21 divided by 4. 21 divided by 4. To get a perfect answer for that, you just subtract with the you just divide with the 21 divided by 4, which is the year to convert a month. 21 divided by 4, 5 4s are 20. Don't worry about the remainder. Just take it as a 5. Okay. Just add all those things. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. 29 plus 2, 31. 31 plus 10, 41. So 41 you got for a whole month. Whole month. This is the step to identify as a month. You got answer 41 as a whole month. Now you are going to change for a day. How many days are there? There will be 7 days. You just cut 41 divided by 7, which is 6 sevens are
42.
5 sevens are 35. Remaining here you have to consider about the remainder. The remaining is 6. I thought somebody is disturbing. Kindly mute your audio. So what is the day code for 6? Which is a Friday. Kindly check it with your phone or anywhere else. If it is easy, kindly give the thumbs up to me. Give the thumbs up to me. Yes. First, whatever may be the day, whatever may be the question they are asking. If they are asking like this, what is the day of 12th November 2021? Means you just take the first step. You just take the date, what they are given as such. So I would have taken 12 as such. Then the second step, month code, November. I have given a month code for in a normal year. You just identify the 2021 is a normal year. So that the normal year, November is 3. So I would have taken as a 3. Then last 2 digit of the year. The third step is last 2 digit of the year. Just take it as such 21. And to convert this as a month, so I am going to change 21 divided by 4. So we'll get 5 4s are 20. Don't worry about the remainder. And add all those things. You will get per month. And you are going to change per day.
So why we are
41.
dividing by 4, sir?
Yeah, we are having 2021, which is a 4-digit number. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So
So we are dividing by
I
4, sir.
no, actually, the year should be a 4-digit number. Actually, we should change for a month. So I just take it to 21 only. So I just wanted to convert it as a month, so that I just take it as divided by 4. Simple. Am I right?
Sir, all years divided by 4, sir.
Yeah, whatever may be.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So this is the first question to you. Kindly answer my question. Which of the following is the leap year?
The math code slide, please, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir?
Month code, please, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
ma'am.
month-
Month code.
Yeah.
733614625 which is a normal year. I just show you.
I'll take a click. Please show it again. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the question to you. Which of the following is a leap year? I thought somebody they would have answered. And
D.
3.
the 2000 is a leap year. Okay, very good. A man's birthday 29th February 1896. When his next birthday comes. Usually what we have to, we told like this, 1900, because the next leap year comes to the next 4th year. So it comes to 1900, which is wrong. Which is wrong. Which is wrong. If 1900 means what I would have told, divided by 400. It never comes. Okay.
That will come under the
29,
message table.
The answer will be C then.
29. I just take it as such.
C,
29.
C. Answer C.
C சொல்றாங்க எல்லாருமே நம்ம ஒரு தடவை செக் பண்ணுவோம். We are going to check the correct answer.
Sir, 1900
96.
also under the fourth table, sir.
1900. 1900, which is, if they are giving like this, means we have to divide by 400, not 4. I already told you. 1896, which is a leap year. which is a leap year. So leap year means what is the February? Zero.
Just adding for 2 years, sir.
Yeah. No, not like that. You just do like this. 96. I just take it as such. 96 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 4s are
24.
24. Yeah. Just add it. 4, 10, 12, 21 for 4, 13, 15. 1, 3, 1. Divided by 7. So like this, you can answer if they are asking what is that date. What is the date? But they are asking when is next birthday comes, because which is a leap year, you just identify 02 which is not a leap year, 01 which is not a leap year. So 04 which is a leap year. So the answer is C. So next question. 1st January 2003 is a Sunday. 31st December 2004 is
Monday.
Sunday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday, sir.
Yeah, we will check it.
Sunday, I think.
I hold your answer.
Monday,
I
sir.
told you already. Yes, just wait, sir. I already told you. If the 1st January in a normal year, the 1st January 2003 is a normal year. Yes, that's good. If the 1st January it starts from Sunday, means the 31st December always a Sunday. So the 1st January of 2004 is a Monday. So the 2004 is a leap year. So the 31st December always a Tuesday. Those who would have answered Tuesday, give a thumbs up to you. How many of you clear? How many of you agree with my answer? How many of you? Because I am
Yes,
going to head
sir.
over the next part. Yeah. Time and angle determination. Next part. Yeah. This is the concept. The time is 10:10. Now the time is 8:10. Now the time is 7:20. Am I right? Now the time is 7:20. If they are asking the mirror image of that one, you just subtract from 11:60. Sir, what it means 11:60, sir? Usually we are having in the time clock, we are having 12 hours. 12 hours. The 12 hours, if we are writing like this, 12.00 means we could not get a correct answer. So that I would have changed like this, 11 hours, 60 minutes. 11 hours, 60 minutes, which is equal to 12 hours. Am I right or wrong? How many of you agree with this? How many of you agree with this?
ஊரு போயிட்டானா
How many of you agree with this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
correct.
sir.
நம்பருக்கு அவனை ஈஸி பண்ண சொன்னோம் நான்
Yeah.
கையில அவனுக்கு காசு தரேன்
Then
When,
11 minus.
madam,
கம்மியா கிடைக்குது
madam,
இல்ல
kindly
நான் கேட்கறேன்
Unmute
Yes,
and
sir.
you proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If they are asking a mirror image of 720 means, you just subtract with 1160, which is 11 hours 60 minutes, which is 0, 6.
4 hours 40 minutes. No?
Yeah, 4 hours 40 minutes.
40.
4 hours 40.
40 minutes.
Yes, that's good.
Sir,
If, yeah, I would check in yeah, good example, 10, 10. The right time is 10, 10. You just subtract with 1160. You got an answer 150. If the time is 220 means, what is the mirror image? Yeah, I have to check. Yeah, here I'm going to give you. If the right time is 6:45, what is the mirror image of 6:45? What is the mirror image of 6:45?
5:15.
That's good.
5:15.
That's good.
15.
That's good, ma'am. Yeah. Next concept we are going to identify, find the angle of the time. Find the angle of the time. Usually, the time we are having is like this. In a circle, the radius and the diameter like this is the watts is going on. If the time shows like this, 10, 10 means here there will be a degree will be available. You can identify the degree in between these two things. You can identify the degree between like this. So like if they are asking means, I will give you a simple formula which is totally 30h minus 11 by 2 into minutes. This is the formula. Because in a circle, how many degrees are there? How many
360
degrees are there? 360. 360 divided by 12. 20 hours minus 11 by 2. Madam, thank you, madam. 11 by 2 into minutes. This is the formula. I would have found to answer the correct. I am going to apply 30 hours 11 by 2. Sir, why you are taking 11 by 2, sir? Madam, thank you, madam. 11 by 2. 11 hours, 60 minutes, I told you. In a circle, we are having 2 rotations, so that I would have taken 11 by 2. The right time is 3:10. So I am going to multiply with 30 hours, which is 30 hours. What is our 3? 30 into 3 minus 11 by 2 into minutes. What the minutes they are giving? 10. So you just multiply 3 30s are 90 minus 11 by 2 into 10. We'll get the answer 110 degree. 110 degree.
sir,
So what is the answer? 3. Yes, ma'am.
recording is available, sir, for this live session.
Maybe.
It's not a live session. We will upload the session to the YouTube, and later we will send the link to the group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No,
Thank you so much, sir.
some concepts are a little fast for
Excuse me, sir.
non-mathematical background.
Excuse me, sir.
They may
Because
find it difficult.
yeah,
Sir, why we need to keep 30, sir, instead of 24? We have only 24 hours, no?
there will be a 360-degree in a circle. We are going to find the angle, which is a degree in a total circle, which is a 360-degree divided by 12 hours we are having. So that I am going to take it as a 3 12s are 30 12s are 360.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is it 11 by 2?
So I would have already told you, in a circle there will be a 12. That 12 comes 2 times. So I already told you, if 11 hours 60 minutes, so I would have taken 11 divided by, it comes to 2 times, so that I would have taken 11 by 2. Very clear?
Since 12 is coming for 2 times, you're written 2 beneath.
Yes.
Okay.
Into minutes.
Okay.
So the next concept is
Is it 11
number
divided
series.
by 2 or is it into 11 into 2? Because according to the calculation you've done, it's 11 into 2. 11 into 11
11 by,
into 220.
hello,
Sorry, hello.
ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
11 by 2 into minutes.
No, but then according to the calculation you have done, it is 11 into 2 into 10.
Yes,
11
yes, 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 yes.
222 into
Yes,
10.
yes, yes.
So it's not
Yes,
11
yes,
divided
yes.
by 2, it's 11 into 2.
Ma'am, I told you there will be a wrong answer. Wrongly, I would write. So that only I will told you again, which is not a correct answer. To identify a correct answer, so that I am telling you 11 by 2 into 10. 11 tens are 110 divided by
55
2.
coming.
What is the
My
answer?
answer is 35.
55. 90 minus 55. What will be the answer?
35.
35.
35. That's all. Okay, very clear. In my regular class, I would have taken a wrong answer to identify the students. They would have answered. They to identify the students are attentive or not. So that I wrote like this. The next concept is number series. If they are giving like this 10, 20, 40, what will be the next number? Become
80.
80. 60.
70.
16, 16,
60.
160, 160.
Sir, here you just see this. What is the difference between these two numbers? Here 10,
Okay,
here
10,
20.
20, 30. What do you mean?
So
70.
Agla,
70 will be the answer, sir.
to
70.
30. The answer is
70.
70. Okay, okay.
This is the first pattern. The next pattern, which is addition.
40.
40.
Yes, that's good. This is subtraction.
Yeah, 40.
50.
What is the next number?
40.
210.
210, sir. 210.
210. Yes.
210.
1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 5 6 are 30,
7 6.
7 3s are 210. That's good.
10. Yeah.
That's good. We call it as a multiplication. Next part.
$25.
Good. 25.
25.
200 divided by 200, 100 divided by 250, 50 divided by 2, which is a 25, which is a division.
The slides not given. Not seen, sir.
Division. 200 divided by 2, 100, 100 divided by 2, 50, 50 divided by 2, 25.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Here is the concept. Here is the concept. If the sequence is increasing in pattern 10, 20, 40, like this pattern, the series should be under plus or multiplication. You can identify very easily. If the pattern goes to decreasing manner, the pattern should be minus or a division. Next part. One squares are 1, 3 squares are 9, 5
49.
squares are 25, 7 squares are 40, 9 will be the answer. So like this, they will have answered, they will have asked, what is the pattern they would have chosen to here?
Square pattern, square root like.
Here
3
is the
cube.
square root.
Cube root.
3 cube,
Yes.
5 cube,
Cube root.
7.
Cube root.
Cube root. Yes. 3 cube.
7 to 9.
Cube. 9 cube. 9 will be the answer. Next pattern. This is the prime number. You know very well what is the prime number. You know very well what is the prime number. 23, 19, 17, 13. What will be the next prime number will come?
11.
11. That's good. So you are going to answer the previous year question. The first question is, five, 7, 14, 16, 32. What will be the next number?
34.
What?
Answer is 4.
Answer is? Answer is? Answer is?
34, sir.
Yeah.
34.
it is 2.
Here
34.
plus 2.
34 is
Here
answer.
into 2.
34, sir.
Here plus 2. Here into 2. So next will become plus 2. So the answer is 30. 4. The next question.
$50.
50.
50. 50.
Yeah, good. Next part, I'm going to test with you, which is direction test. A simple matter. There will be 4 direction. Usually we are having south, north, south, west, and east. Additionally, we are having a northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. So there will be a 4 basic direction and 4 sub-basic direction. Am I right or wrong? Here, the Pythagoras theorem will be applied. The Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides of a triangle. This is the Pythagoras theorem. It should be applied here. The basic concept is there will be a 4 plus 4, 8 basic direction. One point we should remember, the starting point is not given means we should assume that the person facing north. You can identify this thing from the question. Yes. Next thing. Always remember the basic direction, which is southwest, north, east. Pythagoras theorem is valid only for right angle triangle, not the left angle triangle. The direction of the right turn, the direction of the right turn, which is clockwise direction, if the left turn, which means anti-clockwise direction. Always approach this question by step manner. At the end, you just join the initial point to identify the distance and the relative direction. This is the first question I am going to test with you. Tina drives 45 kilometers towards east. If they are giving like this means, you just draw the graph like this, north, south, east, and west. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. Tina,
Yes, sir.
you just take it from a center point. A Tina who drives 45 kilometers towards east side. So he moves 45 kilometers. 45 kilometers. And she took a right turn. She took a right turn and drives 65 kilometers. Then she took a left turn. Left turn means which is the anti-clockwise direction. She moves like this up to 33 kilometers. What is the question? In which direction she is facing now?
Okay.
East, sir.
Yes.
East, sir.
East.
Good. The next question. The next question. Karan, who walked 40 meters towards the north. and took a left turn, moves 20 meters. Turn, moves 40 meters. How far and in which direction now from starting point?
South. South, sir.
Let's take it north, west, south.
ಯಾರಿದೆ?
This is north,
20
Yeah.
kilometer
South.
west.
west, east. He moves like this, and he moves like this, and he moves like this. In which direction is now from starting from? He is from
20 west.
west. How many?
20.
20 kilometers in the west side. The question is for you. You just do that as fast as you just do this question. Because already time is gone. Move fast. A drives 15 kilometers to the west from his home. We don't know the matter. So we just take it as a E facing from the north. 15 kilometers towards from west. And turn left, drives 20 kilometers. And turn towards east. Towards east 30 kilometers. Finally took left turn, covers 20 kilometers. What will be the remaining? 15
kilometers.
kilometers. That's all the answer. Next, time and work. Next part is time and work. If a question like this, the question usually they are asking like this. If A works 20 days, B works 30 days, how many days A plus B work together? Like this question, they would ask like, if they are asking like this means, here is the trick. You just take it LCM for 20 and 30. How we are going to take the LCM?
20 plus 30 by
Least common multiplier. LCM means least common multiplier. We just take it a 2, 10 twos are 20, 15 twos are 30.
60.
And again 2, yeah. So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 2 30s are 60. This is the LCM for 60. Just write what they are given. A works 20 days, B works 30 days. How many of the days work together? We are going to identify by LCM method. How many 20s are there in the 60? 3 20s. How many 30s are there in the 60? 2 20s. You just add it 5. So you just divided by 60 divided by 5 to get the days. There will be a 12 days.
Sir,
12
where
days.
from we get this 5?
60 divided by 5. 5 12s are 60.
3 plus
5
2.
12s are 60. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5.
Sir, from where did we get this 3 and 2?
From LCM.
The 60 is the LCM for 20 and 30. I would have given the table. Understand clear? Hello?
Sir, yes,
Are you
it's
there?
clear. 60
Yes,
is LCM for 20 and 30. Then we divided it from with 5. From where did we get this 5?
How many 20s are there in the 60?
Okay, okay. Okay.
How many 30s are there in the 60? We
Okay,
just
okay,
add
sir.
it to get the days.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next question. If A plus B works 20 days, A works 40 days. How many days B alone can work? What is the LCM for 20 and 40?
4, sir.
What is the LCM for 20 and 40?
40, sir.
40, sir.
40. 2 20s are 40. 1, 2 minus 1, which is a 1. 40 divided by 1, which is a 40 days. Why, sir? In there we are adding, but here you are subtracting. Why? Because they in there they are giving single individually, but here they would have given together and they would have asked like a single person's work. Okay. Next. If B plus C
Sir,
works
kindly
together 20
repeat
days,
the previous question.
if the A plus B, which is in the previous question, here we are giving A works 20 days, B works 30 days. A plus B, which is together. But here the second question, A plus B work together 20 days. A only works 40 days. How many days B alone can work? So here we are subtracting to get the answer from the LCM. So 40 divided by 1, totally divided by 40 days. The next question, if B plus C works 20 days, B only works 25 days, how many days C can alone work? What is the LCM of this? 100. 5 20s are 100. 4 25s are 100. 5 minus 4, which is 100. So totally 100 days. The next question, the next pattern. A works 18 days. B works 20 days. C 30 days work. B plus C starts forced to leave after 2 days. Then the time taken by A alone to complete the remaining work, which means usually we are going to take LCM for all those things 18, 20, 30, which is 180, 10 18s are 180, 9 20s are 180, 30s are 180, which is 10 25.
360.
25. Yeah, 25. B plus C worked 2 days only. After 2 days only. They are forcing to leave. So 2 into 15, which is a 30. Sir, where I can get the 15, sir?
So 9
B
plus
plus
6
C.
is 15.
Yes. B is a 9 days. C is a 16 days, 6 days. So 9 plus 6, 15 days. So 2 persons are there. So 2 into 15, 30 days. LCM of total is 180 minus 30 days. A can alone work 150 days. So you just apply this in this matter. Next, profit and loss. I want to head over as fast as profit, which is profit and loss are the fundamental concept in the business and everyday transaction. Here is a quick rundown cost price. If you are going to buy any of the article for 100 rupees, which is a cost price. If you are going to sell the same product to your friend for 120 rupees, which is selling price. Here is the example. Here is the example. A wholesale dealer bought a 25 water bottles for 250 rupees. He bought each bottle for 15 rupees. What is the profit or loss percentage? Usually profit, which means cost price upon selling price into 100. Profit
125, sir.
Yes. Selling price 25 water bottles 250 rupees. Selling price one water bottle is 15. So 25 into 15, which is 375 rupees. 375 minus 250, which is the cost price. 125 rupees. So 125 divided by 250 into 100, which is a 50. So there will be a 50% of the profit they will taken in this. So we can identify a cost price and
Sir,
profit
please once show previous slide, sir.
loss easy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
A person sells an article 890 rupees. 890 rupees, which is 100%. Cost price, always we told about 100%. If it is a gain or a loss, we take a subtraction from 100%. At a loss of 11%, which means 11%, which means 100 minus 11.
89.
89%. What will be the price of an article when sold at 10%, which is 100% plus 10, 110. We doesn't know. If they are giving like this means both the things, you will get the answer. You just cross multiply both the things, you will get the answer. 110 into 89. Divided by 890. You will get the answer. What will be the answer?
So kindly repeat
11,000.
this.
Yeah. I just erase it. Ma'am, we don't have a time, ma'am. You just grasp the content as soon as possible. Okay, I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Okay, yeah. If 890, which is 100%, whatever may be the amount they are given, we calculate it as 100%. But at a loss of 11%, you just subtract from 100%, which we got 89%. Am I right or wrong? A cost
1100.
price should be, okay, 890 rupees, which is 89%. Don't worry about the percentage. We should get 10% profit, which is 100 plus 10, 110. We don't know how to sell. So you just cross multiply both the things, you will get the answer 1100. The next question. A shopkeeper sold an item for 680 after giving 20% discount. 20% discount on the labeled price and made 18% profit on the cost price. What would have been the percentage profit if he had not given the discount? The required profit is discount plus or minus profit or loss divided by 100 minus discount percentage into 100. This is the formula. Usually we are having required profit percentage, which is 20 divided by 20 plus 18, which is a 20% plus 18%, 100 minus 20, because they are asking what would have been the percentage profit if he had not given the discount. So 100 minus 20 into 100, totally 380 divided by 8, which is a 47.5%. Have we clear? Have we clear? This is the formula. Discount plus profit or loss. Divided by 100, which is a percentage, minus how many percentage discount we are given. The next pattern. The next question to you. Give the answer to you. Give the answer to me as fast as, because here two.
So 1 second, sir. In previous slide, the answer will be, the answer is coming as a 45, sir. 380 by 8 means it is coming like a 45.
Here, na?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So
Just
no,
check
it's
it.
actually supposed to be 47 only. 380 divided by 8.
Yeah, 60 divided by 8 is 7.5, not 5.
I detect it. Okay. The question is, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? I told you 560, which is at a gain of 10%, which is 110%. What would have been the gain or loss if he had been sold 4370? 4370. We doesn't know the percentage. We just cross multiply. We just cross multiply. We will get the answer. We will get the answer. 5060 into 4370 divided by 110. We will get the answer.
$95, sir.
The percentage is 95%.
95.
95%, which means loss. Am I right or wrong?
Sir, for division, are there any simplifications, sir? Like 4370 into 110 by 5060, it is taking too long time. Is there any simplification for this?
No, you have to do. You have to do. Because you will get the correct answer. Perfect answer means you have to do. That's the thing. The next thing is a ratio and proportion. A ratio is a comparison of two values as a quotient. In a class, they are having 12 girls and 18 boys. We can write like this, 12 divided by 18. Or else we can write like this, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. 2 divided by 3, which is equal. If we write like this, 12 divided by 18, we call it as a ratio, is a comparison of two values. A proportion is a equation stating that the two ratios are equal. We call it as a proportion. The first ratio, in the ratio, the first letter, we call it as a antecedent. The second letter, we call it as a consequent. If they are giving A is to B, we can write like this, A divided by B. A is to B is equal to C is to D, which means A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. A into D, B into C is the simplest form of the proportion. Yeah. If they are giving like this, 2 is to 3, 4 is to 6. take the first letter of the first ratio and the second letter of the second ratio. You just multiply it. You will get the answer. Simply, you will get the answer. And the second letter of the first ratio and the first letter of the second ratio, you just multiply it, you will get the answer. Simply. I will tell you. If they are giving 4:5, A is to B is 4:5. C is to D, 6:7. What will be the answer of A is to C?
Two is to three.
What I told you, first letter and the second letter, and cross multiply it. 2:3. That's simple form. Simply you can identify. You just cross multiply first letter of the first ratio and the second letter of the second ratio. You will get the answer of A. The second letter of the first ratio and the second letter of the first letter of the first ratio, you will get the answer C. You will just cross multiply in between, which is a beneath. 5 into 6, same. You will get the answer B. 4:5 and 6:7. You will get that. Simply you will get that. If you are having too much of simplification, simply answer they would haven't. So you can answer the question simply by the answers. The next is simple interest and compound interest. Within 5 minutes, I'm going to wind up the session. Simple interest and compound interest. Yeah, I'm going to tell the important point. In a simple interest, the interest for all years are the same. The interest for all years is the same. In a compound interest for all years is different. Simple interest smaller than compound interest, but compound interest is larger than the simple interest. How we are going to identify the formula? P into R into T, which is a principal rate of interest, which is a time, divided by 100. Interest is on principal amount only, but here interest is given to the previous interest as well as the principal amount. The formula is like this, but I never use to get the formula. Simply. Here is I given the matter. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me if you are having
Sir, please show this previous slide, sir.
1,000 rupees. Which this one na?
No, sir. Next one. Okay.
Yeah, I will explain.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. I will explain it. If you are having 1,000 rupees, how we are going to identify the percentage? You just give a digit from one letter towards the left side. You will get the answer of a 10%. You just give the you will get the answer of 1%. Okay. Now tell me, have you understand? Have you understand? If you wanted to get 10%, you just give the integer from one letter to the last sign. Am I right? Do you understand? If you wanted to get 1%, take it like this. Yes. Divided by 100. Divided by 100, which is a tedious task. No one has wanted to do dividing like this. You just do like this. Simply take it like this. You will get the answer. If you are having a 10,000 rupees, you wanted to invest this 1,000 rupees for 3 years at the rate of 8%. Means don't do tedious task. You just multiply it. 3 8s are 24%. 10% is 100 rupees. 20% is 200 rupees. 4% is 40 rupees. So for 240 rupees, you will get totally 1,240 rupees. After 3 years, you will get. So I'm going to give you, best one task to everyone. And after I'm going to wind up my session. Yeah. If you are having a 6,600 rupees, you wanted to invest for 5 years at the rate of 9%, what will be the total amount you will get? What will be the total amount you will get? Good.
2970, sir.
2970, sir.
2970, which is a interest rate.
9570. 9570.
Very good. 9570 is the total principal amount you will get after the 5 years. That's good. That's good. Now, kindly tell me how.
How, sir? We got
session-
only 2970.
Yeah, you got
Want to add?
interest rate as a two. You got the answer for interest rate. You got the answer for interest rate. You just add it along with the principal. You will get the total amount. So now kindly everyone give a thumbs up to me. Thank you all to joining with me. Now tell me, give you a thumbs up if you agree. If you agree, sir, the mathematics part, which is so simple, sir. So simple, sir. I would have cracked this time. If you agree with this, now give a thumbs up to me. Give a thumbs up to me. Good, 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 good. Thank you, thank you. This note,
Sir, kindly
I'm
provide
going
this
to
slide.
wind up my
question.
session.
The last question, 6,600 plus we have to add 5 cross 9, that is 45%.
Yeah, 45% of 6,600, which is 2,970. You just add it 6,600 plus 2,970. Totally, you will get that.
Sir,
Can you show
kindly provide this session
next slide,
slides, sir.
Yeah.
Next slide, sir.
This is the word to everyone. This is the word to everyone. This is the word to everyone. Those who wanted to join my paid course. You will contact to me. My mobile number is 740. Yeah, I will share you 74023178886. Yeah, I will post my number. This is my number. Those who wanted to join my paid course, you just join with me. Don't worry about this. This session will be available in the YouTube with the help of Dr. Rajkumar sir. With the help of Dr. Rajkumar
So can you
sir,
show me the
as
next
soon as
slide,
possible,
sir?
you will get it.
Next slide, sir. 52nd slide.
Actually, this class I am going to take in the next session, which is a logical reasoning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all this PPT will get it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, you will get it.
Okay. Okay. So okay.
You will
thank
get it at the free of cost. At the free of cost, you will get it. No problem. You will get it from YouTube, and we will provide you each and everything. So thank you. Excellent,
Sir, logical
session.
reasoning also you'll be taking, sir.
Yeah, logical reasoning. I'm going to taking in another session.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
worry
okay.
about that.
What is the
I will
course?
give you.
So session will be tomorrow.
So with this note, I'm going to wind up my session. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot, Dr.
Thank you,
Thiagu sir.
sir. Thank you for wonderful session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Balasubramanian sir. Thank you for your valuable insight. So,
To
One more round or
pleasure to observing a lot of things.
Padi, ஏறுமை. அது என்ன ரேட் பாரு 59
And
ரூபா
actually, Balasubramanian sir basically and microbiology. Dear participant, actually Balasubramanian sir is basically botany, and such a biological background people is very nicely taking a mathematical classes. So it's very appreciable, and so that people may impress you how managed the lesson with such confidence and presence. A great job, sir, and you are demonstrating versatility in your teaching skills. And once again, on behalf of organizing committee and the participant, we thank you for your wonderful presentation. Thank you all. And tomorrow morning, we have another one session, that is Unit 4, Communication. We have a resource person, and we will meet